going to explain my Arduino project, which is Traffic Intensity Detector using LDR. So LDR is a light dependent register which is used for detecting the light intensity, and based on that the LEDs will blink like traffic signal. So here we use the component Arduino Uno breadboard, the LEDs red, yellow and green. By using Ohm's law, we used here 125 ohms resistors to connect the anode of LED. For the LDR sensor, we used here the photoresistor, and resistor for this LDR is 2 kilo ohm. Now we are giving the connection. So for the cathode, which is connects to the negative terminal, same for yellow and green LED. Now we are giving the common connection for these three LEDs to the ground. After that, for the anode connection, we use the digital pins 8, 7 and 6 for red, yellow and green. Now moving towards our LDR, so giving connection of terminal 1 of LDR to 5 voltage. Now moving towards code. So I already write here the code. Now I am explaining the code. So basically first I declare the variables here. LDR pin connected to the analog pin A0, then red, yellow and green LEDs are connected to the pin 8, 7 and 6 respectively, that white setup. So the function runs only once when Arduino start in the white setup. So LDR pin is set as input because we are reading the data, and all LED pins are set up as output because we want to control them. Thus the white setup will run. After that the white loop will execute. So loop functions runs again and again until our conditions will true. Arduino reads the LDR value using analog read. The value is stored into the IDR status. Our first condition is for low light. If light intensity is low, LDR value will be small. LDR red LED turns on, yellow and green turns off. This indicates that the low traffic movement. After that, condition 2, which is for medium light. So if light intensity is medium, yellow LED turns on and other LEDs turn off. It shows medium traffic intensity. After that, our last condition is for high light. So if light intensity is high, green LED turns on. This indicates that high traffic flow. You can see here the intensity. As intensity increases, it blinking of lights. This is how the traffic intensity get detected. Arduino continuously reads light from the LDR sensor here based on the light values. So red LED glows for low light, yellow LED glows for medium light, and lastly the green LED glows for the high light. This is how a simple traffic intensity detector works. So this project helps us to understand sensors, conditions and Arduino basics. Thank you.